Going somewhere? Oh, hey, take the Saalt Travel Kit with you. The Travel Kit has everything you need to keep your menstrual cup or disc squeaky clean, no matter where you are. Just add water. In it, you'll find our new compact sanitizer, a Saalt travel wash, and a small squeeze bottle. Everything comes in a beautiful and practical cotton travel bag, the design and production of which supports women's employment in Togo. Now that's what I call a win-win. The compact sanitizer allows you to sanitize your cup or disc anywhere. Just boil water, pour, wait 3 minutes, and go. It's also sold as a standalone product on our site, but hey, you won't get the cute bag. And don't sleep on the Saalt Travel Wash. It comes in a TSA-approved size, which means no more squeezing your cleanser into one of those tiny bottles that is guaranteed to explode once you reach cruising altitude. The Travel Kit was designed to go where you do. Take it into a public restroom with you to rinse your cup or disc without having to leave the stall. Just use the squeeze bottle to rinse out and reinsert. Backpacking trip overlaps with your period? No problem. Throw the Travel Kit in your pack and you can sanitize your cup or disc on the mountaintop. Just boil a little extra water when you make your morning coffee and don't mix up where you put the grounds. Get your Saalt Travel Kit today at saalt.com. That's SAALT.com.